Alright, these are the elevators at the Knoll Hall Dormitory, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. These are ThyssenKrupp with Mappio's rental assistance, taking up 4 fixtures. So here we go. I love the intro song, Van Halen, from 1984. On the background in the lobby, in the dormitory. Nice for a 2-speed door. Nice for a 2-speed door. Yep. Wow. This is a nice elevator. Oh. Techno Master is playing. There are 5. This is from 2010. Let's go down on the 1. Very nice for ThyssenKrupp elevators. Nice music playing in the elevator. The ThyssenKrupp elevator, O'Keefe elevator, Thyssen. Starts the elevators. Let's film this before back in the first elevator video, way back in shot in 2011, September. Here are 1. Alright, that's it.